Hey there, the brand new collaboration is finally online in Gandi IDE. In this video, I will walk you through the exciting new features of collaboration. Let's dive in. The first feature is the ability for creators to edit the theme sprite. This feature has been highly requested by many creators, and now it's finally here. Give it a try and let us know what you think. In addition, we've also developed a feature for you to manage variables and lists. Now, with just a click, you can sync the modified variables or list values to all collaboration members. Other creators can also sync the data you uploaded to their local devices. It's a seamless way to work together. Now, collaboration members can have two roles, collaborator and observer. Observers can view the project in progress but can't make any edit. When generating an invitation link, you can choose a role. Plus, the max number of collaboration members in a project has been increased to 10, and the max number of observers is 50. We've also added a practical team log. In the team log, you can see all the actions taken by collaborators in the project. If you want to see all the historical logs, simply click on this button. You can even filter the message tabs. Of course, we didn't forget about tracking mode. By clicking on the creator's avatar, you can follow their actions. This feature will be very useful for teachers. These are amazing new features in collaboration. Thanks to all valuable suggestions from our community of users. We truly appreciate your input and are excited to see what you will create using Gandi IDE. Please continue to share your needs with us. And lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will keep you updated on all the latest news. See you in the next video.